share it to your girlfriends, share it to your friends that keep asking you what to do to their hair. Those your friends that keep saying, oh, I feel like cutting my hair, I don't know what to do with my hair, I'm tired of my hair. Send this style inspiration to them. And by the end of this video, you'd be able to make hairstyles that actually suit you and keep you standing out in crowds. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvonne, and if you're a new subscriber, welcome. On this channel I post all things hair content, hair DIYs, to make sure that the girlies don't say they don't know what hairstyle to make next. If you're an old existing subscriber, welcome back. Today's hairstyle is the trendy French curl braids, but we're going to be doing it differently because I'm not particularly fond of the bob length. Watch till the end so you can see how I'm going to achieve this hairstyle, the hair extension I'm going to use, the method I'm going to be using, and how long it's going to take me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Anyways, I'm going to eat, and then when I'm done eating, I'm going to pat my hair and we're going to start the hairstyle tutorial. I'm back guys. I have stretched my hair. I'm just going to start braiding. Okay. This is the hair extension I'm going to be using. This is Darling Empress collection. It's the French curl extension, and the first thing I'm going to do is cut it into two because I'm going for chest length. Yes, so not long at all. This is the color. The color I'm using is 3033. I think it's a lovely shade of brown. So one thing you need to know is this extension is actually very soft. Like, it's softer than regular attachment, or you know, this is really soft at this point. Yeah, and then I'm going to just fluff. commercial break to introduce you guys to Platters and Co. Bakery and their sandwiches. It's just amazing. And then this is my breakfast at the moment. I don't even need breakfast now. There is sustenance. We can keep going and wrap it up. I can make this. No, I can't. This is the result of 2 long days of braiding my hair by myself for the first time. While I have done some other hairstyles by myself, I have never actually done knotless braids before, so this is my first time, and I definitely wasn't sure about the outcome, how neat it was going to be, how strenuous it was going to get. But yeah, I managed to pull through all of that. Braided my hair for 2 days. Although if I'm being honest, out of those 2 days, I probably devoted like 5 hours each per day. As for the details on the product that I used, and if you're going to need any other product to make the hair, let me just get right into that. I used Darling Empress in the color 30/33 because I was going for something that was going to be perfect on my skin and, you know, not shouty at the same time and not black. If you're doing a long length or short length, you're probably going to still use 2 packs, so get 2 packs to be safe. As for where you can get the hair extension, I believe you can get it in markets near you. I got the first pack at Wuse Market and the second pack somewhere in Gwarimpa. You can achieve this with any brand of French curls. You can literally use Darling like I used, or you can use any of the ones that they sell online. Feel free to choose what works for you within your budget. In total, the style cost me 16,000, if it's even up to that, because I bought 1 pack a while back and I bought another one just recently. You might be able to achieve this with less or more, I don't know, depends on the hair extension you use, but I still feel it's worth it, and especially since I made it by myself. You might be wondering what I'm going to do or what I did concerning like tying it, because tying your French curls is like one of the, you know, tricky things about this hairstyle. What I didn't do was use glue, but I knotted like a couple of times, like at least 3 times, and I'm prepared to keep knotting if it loosens as I'm carrying the hair. Of course, there are so many styling options when it comes to this hair. In case you were wondering, I just currently have it in a side part. The original intention for the hair was actually a center part. That's what I saw in my inspiration. My inspiration, by the way, is Tabs. He made this hair in this length and I loved it, and I just had to try it. I actually searched for tutorials on achieving this hairstyle before I did it on YouTube, and I couldn't find. I don't know if it's whether it's not in demand because people don't know or don't like it, but I am here to prove to you that this should be your next hairstyle. If you enjoy making bobs or long length hairstyles, why not give it a break and consider an awkward length, consider a lob, consider, you know, bra length, consider something that is not regular, and then see how much you like it and see how different you look in it. I really think that's the idea behind making your hair every month or making your hair often. If you watch this video from the start to this point, thank you so much. I hope you've already subscribed, and if you haven't, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it to your girlfriends, share it to your friends that keep asking you what to do to their hair. Those your friends that keep saying, oh, I feel like cutting my hair, I don't know what to do with my hair, I'm tired of my hair. Send this style inspiration to them. Send this video tutorial to them. They don't have to make it themselves. They can always show it to their hairdresser to go through the motions and achieve the style for them. So I don't bore you, make sure you've subscribed. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye.